Did you know that more than 20 million people in the United States alone suffer from some form of nerve damage? This significant figure highlights the widespread prevalence of nerve-related health issues across the country. Surprisingly, there is a rather simple and natural approach to tackling this problem: superfoods. Superfoods are natural foods that are extremely rich in nutrients, which can aid in restoring and preserving the health of our nerves. This is a crucial aspect of our well-being that often gets neglected until it's too late. These superfoods, loaded with essential nutrients, can be a natural remedy to nerve damage, offering a fresh approach to enhance our overall health. In this video, we will discuss 12 powerful superfoods. Each of these superfoods comes packed with vital ingredients that can significantly bolster your nerve health. They range from the luscious creaminess of avocados, known for monounsaturated fats and fiber, to the potent power of turmeric, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can provide a delightful and delicious way to nurture your nerves. So, stay tuned as we explore these 12 essential superfoods. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how you can harness their potential to bolster your nerve health. So, stay tuned as we delve into the 12 essential superfoods that can help bolster your nerve health. Starting off our list is the ever-popular avocado, a powerhouse of healthy fats. This creamy green fruit is loaded with nutrients that are vital for maintaining and repairing your nervous system. It's packed with B vitamins, particularly B6 and folate, which are essential for nerve health. These vitamins aid in the production of neurotransmitters, the body's chemical messengers, helping your nerves to communicate effectively, but that's not all. Avocados also contain a good amount of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant. This vitamin safeguards your nerves from damage caused by harmful free radicals, thereby offering additional protection. On top of these, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats. These fats help maintain the integrity of myelin, the protective layer that surrounds your nerves, ensuring efficient signal transmission. And let's not forget about the high fiber content in avocados. Fiber helps in maintaining a healthy gut, which is increasingly being recognized as crucial for brain and nerve health. So next time you're making a salad, don't forget to toss in some avocado for an extra nerve health boost. Coming up next on our list is the second superfood is spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as the mineral magnesium. Vitamin K aids in the production of proteins necessary for brain and nerve function. Meanwhile, magnesium is known to play a vital role in nerve transmission and neuromuscular coordination. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a bunch of spinach. Up next, we have the humble beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help protect your nerves from damage. Additionally, it contains nitrates that enhance blood flow to the brain, contributing to optimal nerve function, so don't underestimate the power of beets. The fourth superfood on our list is broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect the nervous system. Moreover, it's packed with a unique compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to support brain health and nerve function. Swimming along, we find the omega-3 rich salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for nerve health as they help build and repair nerve cells. They also have anti-inflammatory properties which can help protect your nerves from damage. So consider adding salmon to your diet for a dose of nerve-nourishing goodness. Next up is walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are not only good for your brain but also for your nerves. They are packed with a variety of nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to healthy nerve function. Sliding in at number 7 is the sweet potato. This root vegetable is a rich source of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that protects your nerves from damage. They're also packed with vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in nerve function. So, consider adding sweet potatoes to your diet for a sweet boost to your nerve health. The 8th superfood is the mighty blueberry. These small berries are bursting with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been shown to protect the brain and maintain healthy nerve function. They're also high in vitamin C, which supports the production of collagen, a protein that helps protect nerves. Next, we have the versatile chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3, fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to nerve health. They're also a fantastic source of magnesium, which is crucial for nerve function. The 10th superfood on our list is the pomegranate. This exotic fruit is brimming with antioxidants, which help protect your nerves from damage. It's also a great source of vitamin C, which supports nerve health. The 11th superfood is dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. Flavonoids are known for their brain-boosting properties, and they help stimulate blood flow to the brain, thereby enhancing nerve function. But remember, moderation is key. Opt for dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao. Closing, there you have it, another superfood to add to your nerve-protecting arsenal. Last, but certainly not least on our list is turmeric, a spice known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. This vibrant golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and it's no surprise why. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, a compound that has been extensively studied for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties make turmeric a superstar when it comes to nerve health. Inflammation can damage nerves, but turmeric's anti-inflammatory action helps to protect them. Plus, the antioxidants in turmeric neutralize harmful free radicals that can also cause nerve damage. But that's not all. Studies have shown that curcumin can help promote nerve regeneration, aiding in the repair of damaged nerves. It's like a repair kit and a shield all in one, helping your nerves to heal, while also protecting them from further damage. So spice up your meals with some turmeric and give your nerves the support they need. And that rounds up our list of 12 essential superfoods for nerve health. Now that we've explored these 12 superfoods, it's time to incorporate them into your diet for optimal nerve health. Let's do a quick recap. We started with the creamy avocados packed with essential fatty acids for nerve protection. Then we journeyed through a range of superfoods, each with its unique benefits. From the antioxidant-rich berries to the omega-3 filled fish, and the power-packed nuts and seeds. We talked about leafy greens, high in B vitamins for nerve function, and don't forget our old friends, the legumes, full of magnesium to relax the nerves. We explored the merits of citrus fruits, bell peppers, and whole grains. Lastly, we delved into the anti-inflammatory world of turmeric. Each of these superfoods brings something unique to the table, enhancing your nerve health in its own special way. Remember, your nerve health is vital and these superfoods can help. So what are you waiting for? Start incorporating these superfoods into your diet today. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Knowledge is power, and sharing it with those you care about can make a world of difference. If you know someone who might benefit from these superfoods for nerve repair and protection, don't hesitate to share this video. Let's spread wellness together. Before we say goodbye, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.